In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links from texts on Carrd. Carrd is a simple tool for creating one-page sites for pretty much anything. Whether you're building a personal profile, a landing page, or something else, knowing how to add links can really enhance your site's functionality. So, let's dive right in and get started on adding those clickable links to your text elements. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Carrd website. This is where all the magic happens. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. If not, you might want to sign up and explore it more later. Once you're on your dashboard, you can choose a pre-existing project or start a new one. For our purposes today, any site will work just fine as long as you have some place to add text. Next, you'll want to add a text element to your Carrd site. This is a crucial step because you can't make a link out of thin air. It needs text to anchor it. To do this, look for the Add Element button, usually located on the sidebar. When you click it, you'll see various element options pop up. Go ahead and select Text. Once you've done that, you'll see a text box appear where you can type anything you like. Now, here's where we get into the specifics of creating links. You'll need to use a special kind of formatting. It looks like this: open bracket, your desired link text, close bracket, immediately followed by open parenthesis, the complete URL, close parenthesis. As an example, if you want the text to read "click here" and have it direct people to a website such as Google, you would type exactly "click here," http://google.com. It's as simple as that. Once you've typed in your formatted text, the link automatically becomes clickable for your visitors when the site is live. Remember, when you're pasting that URL, it has to be a valid web address. Otherwise, the link won't work, and that would be a bummer. Make sure you're typing the address correctly, especially if it has www or https. After setting up your link, it's important to finalize or apply your changes. You might notice a button labeled Done in the corner or bottom of the Edit section. Click on it to ensure that your work is saved and the changes are applied. This action confirms that your newly created link within the text is ready to roll. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create links from text using Carrd. With these skills, you can connect your audience to valuable resources or guide them to other pages seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring and creating on